Leon!
Leon?
Leon! Leon! Welcome to Leon Q. Mercado High School, where excellence thrives, talent shines, and unity soars. Roar! Leon Q. Mercado High School offers a unique learning environment nestled amidst nature's beauty. Our campus is home to numerous trees, including the distinctive Bugnay and Mulberry, creating a serene and inspiring atmosphere for learning. While we offer a single-strand, high-quality academic strand, our commitment to excellence shines through in our dedicated faculty and diverse extracurricular activities. Students thrive in our active school community, participating in numerous clubs and events that foster growth and development. So what are you waiting for? Come and enroll now.